Let's go over the process of scheduling a launch here at Lake Union SkyLaunch. First, go onto your mobile device and open up Speedy Dock. This is how we communicate with your lift operators. Just a reminder, on busy summer hot days, the launch scheduler tends to fill up quickly. If you know you want to go out, schedule your launch as early as possible. We always recommend scheduling at least 24 hours in advance. However, if you're running late or just on a whim you want to go out on the water, Speedy Dock will allow you to schedule a launch 1 hour prior to launching the boat. When you arrive at SkyLaunch, make sure your parking pass is hanging in your mirror. On our busy summer days, we will have a gate monitor. If you do not have your parking pass, you will not be allowed to park in the parking lot. Luckily, there's street parking right across the street. Once you've found a parking spot, go ahead and use the check-in feature on Speedy Dock. This will alert our operators that you are on site and ready for your boat to be launched. On our busy summer days, your boat will not be launched until you check in. As you're making your way down to the marina, check out our new launch screen that we have just outside the office. Here, you'll be able to see your boat in the queue. You'll be able to see exactly which position you are and how many boats ahead of you are to be launched prior to your boat being launched. Once your boat's in the water and you're making your way down to the dock, be mindful of other customers. Make sure you have all your gear ready to go. If you're carrying a lot of things with you, feel free to take one of our dock carts that's located right outside the marina office. When you're boarding your boat, gather your things and just be efficient with your time, knowing that there are other boaters behind you that are anxious to get on the water. After a fun day out on the water, when you're returning to Lake Union SkyLaunch, just a reminder, make sure you schedule your retrieval. This can be also done on Speedy Dock. Not only will this alert the marina operators that you're returning, but it might give you an indication if the haul out is really full. Knowing that the haul out is full, you might just take a little bit more time coming back to the marina. Once you've scheduled your retrieval and you're returning to the marina, start to gather your items that you're going to take off the boat. Returning to the dock, make sure you're courteous to other boaters and either pull your boat all the way to the end of the dock, find a good appropriate spot in the middle behind another boat, or if there's already some boats tied up on the dock and you can fit behind them, go ahead and do so. We want to make sure we're maximizing the space on the docks for all the boats that are returning. Also, if you're returning during peak business hours, we'll have dock hands here assisting you to tie up and also directing you and assisting getting stuff off the boat. Just a reminder, make sure you follow the SkyLaunch haul out procedures. Make sure your bow is facing out, your trim tabs are up, your outdrive is all the way up, and most importantly, your battery switch is turned off. Once you're off your boat, our operators will haul it out and put it back in your slip. We'll record that retrieval and you'll get an alert from Speedy Dock saying your boat's been returned to its slip. We're looking forward to another great boating season here out of SkyLaunch. We can't wait to see you on the water.